Hey, good afternoon, you all. This is Matthew with Sunny Pressure Washing. We're out in beautiful Spring Branch taking care of some wonderful homeowners today. I'm here with David Rodriguez, and we're getting rid of some algae and mildew growing on the side of this home. We've already done this part of the house, and you can see David's about to just knock off this algae. So we see right there as it just kind of washes away. Very nice, very easily, very clean. So we appreciate you guys tuning in with us. We just want to give you a little peek at how we do our soft wash methods. So thank you so much. Give us a call at 832-622-2924 and we'll come out and give you guys a free demonstration, free quote, and get you all taken care of. So we appreciate you tuning in with us a bunch. Give us a call. We offer both residential and commercial services, house washing, gutter cleaning, any driveway, anything like this, any dirt on it, we'll get it all cleared up for you. So we appreciate it a bunch. Thank you all for tuning in with us. Again, it's Matthew and David with Sunny Pressure Washing. Thank you all so much. Bye.